Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your macOS in 2026. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, first of all, open your settings and make sure that you have an update on your OS. And then you have to choose software update. Just click on it. And now you will see the update name over here. And if any update is available, then you will see an icon like upgrade now or update now. Just click on it. And then a file is going to be downloaded. But before doing it, you have to be agree with their conditions. And you have to enter your password over here. I'm going to enter it. All right. And after then, it is going to download a file to install on your macOS. And after downloading it, you have to restart your macOS by following the on-screen instructions. Here you can see that the file is downloading. I'm going to cancel it because I don't want to update right now. All right. So I'm going back and clicking again on this software update button. If any update is available, then you will see. Otherwise, you will not see. So that's it. Here you can see that there is another version of update. You can also update these two. So that's it. Now you know how to update your macOS in 2026. Thanks for watching.